Hello. In this lesson, you'll learn how to install Appium drivers. So, to automate Android mobile application, you need drivers to automate the test cases. So, to know the list of available drivers, you can issue the following command: um, Appium drivers list. So this will list all the available drivers for you. It should be driver list. So these are the list of available drivers: UA Automator 2, XCUI test, Espresso, etc. So UA Automator 2 is the UI testing framework. It's a wrapper on UI Automator, which is the testing framework introduced by Google to facilitate mobile application like Android application testing. Okay, so Appium has come up with the wrapper on this framework called UI Automator 2, which will allow you to automate mobile application tests. Okay, so to install your automated 2 driver, issue the following command: Appium driver install, and the driver name like UI automator 2. This will install the UI automator 2 driver on your machine. Okay. You can see that the driver is being installed. Okay. So once the driver is got installed, you can issue the list command to see if it is installed or not on your machine. So we'll check with the command Appium driver list. You can see that now the UI Automator 2 is installed on your machine. Okay. Thank you.